Let me ask you something. Imagine someone asks you, what time is it? Or when is your birthday? Or what day is your English class? These are very simple questions. But many English learners suddenly become confused, not because they don't know the answer, but because they don't know how to say it correctly in English. And here is the truth. Time and dates are everywhere. Every day we talk about school, work, meetings, appointments, birthdays, exams, holidays, travel plans, and daily routines. If you make mistakes with the time and dates, your communication becomes weak. But don't worry. Today I will teach you how to talk about time and dates confidently and naturally. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer these questions without hesitation. Hello everyone, welcome to an EU English. I hope you are doing very well and great. This is our 30 days English speaking course where you will learn to speak English step by step in a very simple and easy way. If you are a beginner and want to speak English confidently in daily life, this course is perfect for you. Every week we learn a new topic that will help you improve your speaking, vocabulary and confidence. So make sure you watch every lesson and practice with me. Today's lesson is extremely practical because every English speaker uses time and dates every single day. Whether you are talking about school, work, meetings, travel, birthday, future plans, you need to know how to speak about time and dates correctly. So stay focused because today's lesson will improve your daily English communication immediately. Now let's start today's lesson. Think about your normal day. You wake up at a certain time. You go to school or work on a certain day. You make appointments at a certain time. You celebrate birthdays on a certain date. You make appointments on a certain time. Time and dates help us organize life. Without them, communication becomes confusing. For example, when should I come? What day is the exam? What time does the class start? When is your birthday? These questions appear every day. That is why learning time and dates is not optional. That is essential. Let's start with the basic. When the minutes are zero, we use o'clock. Examples: 1 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Now look at these: 5:10, 7:25, 8:40. 10:55. This is the easiest way to tell time. Always remember hour plus minutes. Native speakers often use special expressions. 15 minutes equal quarter past. 7:15 quarter past 7. 30 minutes equal half past. 8:30 half past 8. 45 minutes quarter to. 9:55 quarter to 10. These expressions make your English sound more natural. You don't need them all immediately, but learning them helps you understand native speakers. Let's learn expressions used every day. In the evening. Example: I study English in the evening. In the afternoon. We have class in the afternoon. In the evening. I watch YouTube in the evening. At night. Example: I go to bed at night. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, last week, next week. These expressions appear in daily conversations all the time. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Examples: my English class is on Monday. I play cricket on Saturday. We visit relatives on Sunday. Remember, we use on with days: on Monday, on Friday, on Sunday. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Examples: my birthday is in July. The course is started in January. We travel in December. Remember, we use in with months. In January, in July, in December. Dates are different from numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, July 1st, August 2nd, September 15th. Practice speaking dates aloud. This will improve your confidence. One of the most common conversations question: when is your birthday? Answer: my birthday is on March 10th. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. Example: my birthday is on July 16th. I usually celebrate it with my family. Simple and natural. In real life, people often discuss appointments. Examples: our meeting is at 10 o'clock. The appointment is on Friday. The interview starts at 9:40 p.m. The doctor will see you at 4 p.m. Notice we use at for time, at 9 p.m., at 10 a.m. Everyone has a schedule. Examples: my class starts at 10 a.m. I finish work at 6 p.m. I study English every evening. My gym session is on Monday and Tuesday. Schedules help us talk about daily activities. This is very useful in conversation. Example: I'll travel next week. The exam is on July 10th. We are meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m. I'm gonna visit my cousin on Sunday. Future plans require both time and dates. Practice these patterns daily. Most common mistakes learners make: my birthday is in 15 July. Wrong. My birthday is on 15 July. Right. The class starts in 8 a.m. Wrong. The class starts at 8 a.m. I will meet you on tomorrow. Wrong. I will meet you tomorrow. Right. I go school in Monday. Wrong. I go to school on Monday. Right. These mistakes are common. Avoid them. Real life conversation practice. Conversation 1. A. What time is your English class? B. My English class starts at 7 a.m. Conversation 2. A. When is your birthday? B. My birthday is on July 15th. Conversation 3. A. Are you free tomorrow? B. Yes, I'm free after 4 p.m. Conversation 4. A. When is the meeting? B. The meeting is on Friday at 10 p.m. Practice these conversations aloud. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Now understand this clearly. Time and dates are not just grammar topics. Every conversation about work, school, meetings, travels, birthdays, and plans uses time and dates. So don't just watch this lesson. Practice it, speak it, use it in real conversations. Remember, fluent English is not built in one day. It is built one lesson at a time, one conversation at a time, one small improvement at a time. And today you have taken another step forward. Write your comment below. When is your birthday date? English is not learned by watching. English is learned by using. Like this lesson, if you learned something new, share this video with a friend who is learning English. Subscribe and join me for day 16. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.